Episode 2. It is so cold here. Yeah, I know. We need a bucket of ice because it is so cold. So who will buy? I think it's Mikey. For sure. Then come. Mikey, wake up. Why? Because you will buy a bucket of ice. No. Please wake up. You need to have an ice. How much is the bucket of ice? It is 50 bucks. 50 bucks? What? Yeah. So, can I play hacker game? Play first. Just get the ice. No. Yes, you have. No. Mikey. Okay. This day is too much boring. Woo, let's get this party pizza. Yeah. Today it's too much boring. Ouch, I slept. Well, there's a store. What do you know? Here goes the pizza party. Hello. Can I buy a bucket of ice? Scary. Here's the 50 bucks. Thanks. I will get you soon. Yay! Now it is finished. Guys, see you now. Here. Thanks. This party is so great. The end.